Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today I will teach you new poisons, opium and morphine and heroin, sedative and hypnotic poisons. Last time I will teach you SNAIDs, remaining part of SNAIDs. Last time I will teach I teached you SNAIDs in 2 lectures. Now I will teach you somniferous poisons, opium and morphine. First of all, what opium is very important regarding exam point of view. What is the mechanisms of opium? What is the antidote of opiums? What are the different stages of the opiums? Regarding MCQs, this poisons is very important. Opium, also known as narcotic poisons, used to lessen pain and induce sleep. Important poison in this group is opium. Action is characterized by two sets of symptoms with excitement and narcosis. Heroin, brown sugar, is synthetic derivatives of opium and potent narcotic analgesics with a very high addiction potentials. Pethidine, these are all forms of the opium. Pethidine, mepridine, demerol, synthetic analgesics having a morphine-like actions causes a great degree of euphoria as compared to morphine. Potential for addiction is also so difficult to treat and carries mortality. Opium and morphine. Opium, other name is afim. There is three stages: stage of narcosis, stage of excitement, and stage of stupor. One by one, we will discuss. Opium, dried juice obtained by incision of the unripe capsule of the white poppy plant Papaver somniferus. This is a point of MCQs. The ripe and dry poppy capsule contain only a trace of opium used for sedative and narcotic effects. Poppy seeds, creamish in colors, harmless because no opium in these. This is the plant of opium. This is the ripe plant of the opium, morphine, and other pictures of the opium. Used as a food, yield bland oil used for the cooking and lightening purpose. Fresh crude opium is dark brown, black on standing, rounded, irregular, flattened mass, characterized, smell, bitter taste. Symptoms and signs. Appears with half an hour to an hour after injections, within 3 to 5 hours after injections, act on the central nervous system causing stimulations and later depressions followed by the narcosis. Effect can be described in 3 stages. Excitement, जब भी बंदा इसको लेता है बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट उसको फील होती है. देन हेडेक, गिडीनेस, यूफोरिया, हेलुसिनेशंस, एंड फाइनली स्टेज ऑफ नार्कोसिस में ब्रीदिंग कम हो जाती है. 2 to 4 चाइन स्टॉप breathing 2 to 4 and ultimately leads to death. Stage of excitement. In exams, we will ask you what are the different stages of the morphine poisons. Stage of excitement absent if dose is large. In adults, may sense of well-being of brief durations. Laughter, hallucinations, rapid heart rate. In children, convulsions occurs. Stage of super excitement is followed by wearing, headache, giddiness, सर में दर्द होता है, sense of weight in the limbs or diminished sensibility. Strong tendency to sleep from which patient roused by painful stimuli. Pupils are contracted. Face and lips cyanosed. Itching sensations felt all over the skin. Pulse and respirations almost normal. Stage of narcosis में patient passes into deep coma from which cannot be aroused. Muscles relaxed, reflexes abolished, pupils contracted to pinpoint. BP falls, pulse rapid and fever. And morphine is the ideal suicidal poisons. Commonest ideal suicidal poison is morphine. Breathing slow, gradually diminished in rate, skin cold, profuse perspirations. These are all effects of the morphine. Subnormal temperature in fetal terminations, marked cyanosis, froth from the mouth. Breathing, signing, and irregular Chinese throat type rate 2 to 4 per minute. Pulse imperceptible, pupils dilate terminally. when asphyxia ensure but still don't react to light. Coma depends death result from asphyxia due to respiratory paralysis. In exam, we will ask a scenario based. A patient came to the emergency department with pinpoint pupils uh, uh, and the Chinese stroke, breathing 2 to 4, breathing cyanosed and headache. These are all common symptoms of the morphine. Breathing may smell opium. Fatal dose in OSPI, we will ask you what is the fatal dose of the opium 2 grams, yeah, 200 milligrams. Not addicted to opiums, 200 milligrams of morphine is equivalent to opium 2 grams is fatal. 10 ml of tincture of opium dangerous. A fatal tincture dose in children 1 to 3 drops varies. Fatal period 9 to 12 hours. A diagnosis breath smell of opium, cyanosed face, froth from the mouth, slow pulse. These are all the diagnostic test of the opium. Froth at the nose and mouth, moist, perspiring, skin, suspended all body secretions except sweat. Treatment. Amitrix failed due to depressions or vomiting centers in early stages. Stomach was with tepid water and retained for analysis. And what is the antidote of the morphine? Antidote of morphine is naloxone or nalorphine. Initial dose is 5 milligram, later on 40 milligrams, up to 40 milligrams. So we can give. Then wash with potassium permanganate strength till water returns normal. In absence of potassium permanganate, infusions of tea, tannic acids, or mixtures of finely powdered animal charcoal water. Intestine should be cleared out by purgative magnesium sulfate. Nalorphine, antidote to morphine. Antidote of morphine is nalorphine or naloxone. Intravenous dose 5 to 10 grams every 15 minutes till pupils dilate. Maximum 40 grams is administered. In early stages, patients should be kept arose. Artificial respirations oxygen can be. Antibiotic in case of prolonged coma, body warmth, maintain. Give all symptomatic treatment also. Postmortem appearance, those of the comatose externally smell of the opium cyanosed face almost black, nails blue, neck veins enlarged, lividity is black, internally stomach presence of small soft brown lump of opium's respiratory tract marked degree of venous congestions. In addition, trachea and bronchi covered with froth and edematous body dark and fluid. Blood, bile and brain should be preserved in addition to routine viscera, medical legal aspects easily obtained everywhere. Death is so painless that it is the poison of the choice for suicidal purpose, rarely used for homicidal purpose because of the smell and bitter taste. Infanticides. Opium addiction is the result of regular use of the opium or its preparations, either medically for relief of pain, otherwise as an aphrodisiac just to get high. Chronic poisoning is characterized by physical, mental, moral degeneration. Other poison is heroin, brown sugar, synthetic derivative of opium, white and brown powders, potent. हीरोइन को आप मेल्ट करके भी ले सकते हैं, आईवी भी ले सकते हैं और स्निफ भी कर सकते हैं. Strong euphoric effect can be smoked, inhaled, or snuff or injections. Among all addictive drugs, it is most dangerous. These are the different forms of the heroin. Heroin intake, sniffing and IV intake. This is when heroin is melt and IV given. Shooting gallery where heroin activities are conducted. Small amount of heroin dissolved in water heated and filtered through a small piece of cotton or the filter of a cigarette is injected IV as a test dose. This process of injecting a small amount withdrawing some blood to ensure that the needle is in the vein and to keep the lumen open. It is also known as booting of vein. जब भी आपने IV लगानी होती है तो आप थोड़ा सा उसको एस्पायरेट करते हो, थोड़ा सा ब्लड आता है तो आपको मेक श्योर हो जाता है कि ये इसके वेन में है सिरिंज, अदरवाइज आप सबक्यूटेनियस लगा देंगे इंजेक्शन। Withdrawal symptoms of K1, sweating, malaise, anxiety, depression, the general feeling of heaviness, cramps like pains in the limbs. Large doses required to allay these symptoms. With large doses, confusional state, hallucinations, illusions, personality changes develop rapidly. Withdrawal severe and include twitching and convulsions. Addiction is severe, difficult to treat, and carries considerable mortality, sometimes sudden collapse and death. Rapid metabolized drug. Non-detectable drug may be found after 30 to 60 minutes of injections. Overall, morphine alkaloids may be detectable in urine for hours or days after exposures. At autopsy, blood, urine, bile, or liver should be collected. Lungs, brain may also be preserved as a heroin concentration in these organs cure death. So, what is the sign symptoms of the morphine? The common sign symptoms of morphine is pupils is pinpoint. Number second point is breathing is very slow, feeble pulse, blood pressure falls, cyanosed face, headache, and lower limbs paralyzed. These are all common symptoms of the morphine. What is the fatal dose of the morphine? 2 grams. And what is the treatment antidote of opium and morphine is naloxone, nalorphine, and light at medical legal purpose. It is a ideal suicidal poisons of all the poisons. And what is this autopsy finding? Autopsy finding is light at of the asphyxia, cyanosed froth at the nose. These are all uh, cleared of opium and morphine. Now, next time I will teach you next poisons.